The enormous jetliner descends, a graceful giant against the sky. Powerful engines hum a low tune. Runway lights stretch out, a welcoming path. Below, the world seems quiet, but on the flight deck, intense focus. This is the final critical phase. Almost there, almost on the ground. Inside the cockpit, all is calm. The captain and first officer work. Their movements are precise, practiced. Instruments glow with essential data. Altitude, speed, direction, all monitored. They follow the invisible glide path. A laser focus is demanded now. Every decision, perfectly timed. This is far more than just going down. It is a meticulously managed sequence. Sophisticated technology plays its part. The autopilot guides the aircraft, but human skill remains paramount. Pilots are ready to take full control. The aircraft prepares for touchdown. A symphony of systems working as one. Consider the forces involved here. Many tons of metal moving fast. Gravity exerts its constant pull. Aerodynamics dictate the flight. The experienced pilot feels the aircraft, anticipating its every response. Mastery and control are vital. The ground rushes up to meet them. To land, speed must be reduced. The aircraft is simply too quick. Flaps are the primary tools now. They extend from the wing's trailing edge. This cleverly changes the wing's shape. It generates significantly more lift, and crucially for landing, more drag, slowing the machine with air resistance. Listen for that characteristic whirring. That is the sound of flaps deploying. They move in stages, not all at once. Each setting is carefully selected to achieve the correct approach speed and the right angle of descent. The powerful jet becomes more docile, preparing for a gentle arrival. Spoilers can also play their part, not only after the wheels touch. Sometimes they are used during descent to help shed excess speed quickly, or to steepen the descent angle, without letting the speed build up. It is all about precise management of energy, altitude, and airspeed. The pilot makes constant, small inputs. The aircraft responds with obedience, a seamless blend of man and machine. The aim is to reduce speed, from high cruising velocities above, down to a safe, manageable pace. All this before even reaching the start of the runway itself. The runway threshold looms large. Now it is time for landing gear. A distinct sound, a reassuring thud. The wheels are down and locked, usually 3 sets of robust wheels, ready to bear the aircraft's full weight. This is a moment of truth. Green lights confirm, ready for contact. These are no ordinary wheels, mind. They are equipped with complex systems, including landing gear shock absorbers. These are powerful hydraulic dampers, engineered to absorb the immense energy of many tons meeting solid ground. They make the landing feel smoother, cushioning the passengers and aircraft. Next comes the critical flare maneuver. This happens just seconds before touch. The pilot gently raises the aircraft's nose, pulling back slightly on the controls. This action reduces the descent rate. It also bleeds off the final airspeed, a delicate yet vital adjustment, aiming for that perfect soft touchdown. Contact. The main wheels connect. Always the rear sets first, ideally. Not the sensitive nose wheel initially. A brief puff of smoke from the tires, as rubber meets the rough tarmac. The aircraft is now earthbound once more. But the landing sequence is not complete. It is still traveling at high speed. Runways are long, very long indeed, but they are not without limit. Auto brakes often take initial charge. These are preset by the flight crew. They apply braking force automatically, consistently, without pilot intervention. The moment the main wheels spin up, helping to arrest the forward motion. Then come the powerful wheel brakes, located within the wheel assemblies. Conceptually like brakes in your car, but vastly larger, more robust, and capable of incredible stopping power. They generate significant heat energy, slowing the rotation of the tires, gripping the runway surface firmly, and then that unmistakable deep roar. This is reverse thrust being engaged. Sections of the engine nacelle slide open, redirecting the engine's mighty power, so it pushes forwards, not backwards. This creates a huge braking effect, a dramatic, highly effective measure. To decelerate the heavy aircraft safely, the speed rapidly diminishes now. The pilot steers with precision, keeping the aircraft on the center line. Soon it is slow enough to maneuver, to carefully turn off the active runway, and begin the taxi towards the terminal. Another journey concluded successfully, professionally executed from approach to gate.